Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be putting on the skin for the Pixel 5. Man, I can't believe I didn't do this already. But a lot going on. So if you got your Pixel 5 and you want to, you're some of those people that don't wear cases, well, you already know SopiGuard got you covered. So this is a honeycomb, you know, honeycomb everything, you know what I mean? Now this is the sort of sage with the black, and you get the same traditional things here. You got a microfiber cloth card from them, and you get the wet wipe to clean it off. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this cleaned off. So I have lots of SopiGuard rags around. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down. I'm gonna make sure you get it all nice and wiped down nicely, so the skin will adhere to the device. Use the alcohol wipe to get it all down, and it'll clean it up nicely. So that's done. I like to start with the camera bump or the camera cover. So as you can see, you just follow the instructions and just line it up perfectly to go on like that. Try to get it on it, touch an area of it that's not around any of the holes, so you can kind of make it easy. And it's really sticky. If you use the alcohol wipe, you should be good on when you lay it down. Ooh, perfect, perfect, perfect enough. And we'll get this like this, and we'll put half of this on to try to kind of line it up right. We'll do it like this. Just take your time with this. There's no rush on doing this. I think your man might have dropped this one on the first try. Let's pull it all back. Let's see if that G flops right there. Oh, a little off, but hey, the good part about these skins, you can line it up. But my thing is just take your time with it and make the adjustments you need to make. There's obviously there's different colors and a whole bunch of different versions of the skin you could get. So you get the one that you like the most. Now that G is laying down. You get the one that you like, and you put it on your device. Now I suggest that you use a hair dryer or some kind of heat gun or something after you get this on here, because you want the sides to stay down. So let me show you my Pixel 4a. I have the same skin on the Pixel 4a, and it doesn't wrap around the entire device on this one either. But you'll need to heat it up. And what I did was I heated it up, and then I put it in a case and just let it sit. That's what I did. And eventually the corners will all stay down. You won't have any problems with it. It'll be nice for you. This is beast mode right here. I love honeycomb. This actually looks better than I thought it was gonna look. You know what, like kind of the two-tone or whatever. It looks really good. So I suggest, again, I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up, and then I'm gonna do, like I said, I put it in a case. I always put it in a tight fitting case. That way I know it's gonna seal it up, and I just leave it in there for a while. And in this case, I'm gonna be using the official Google case right here to keep it down. So I'm gonna heat this up, and we'll go ahead and I'll revisit this. But you know, honeycomb everything, this is how it goes down. It's beautiful. It's definitely a little different with the sage. I like that. It's kind of like it's got like a sage trim around the edges right there. But there it is, folks. It's your man Jay, Pixel 5, honeycomb everything. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.